Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn few calculation tricks with the help of which we can do any 2 to 3 digit multiplication within 2 to 3 seconds like this. So let's go to the first trick. So guys, first trick is how to multiply two numbers where sum of digits at one's place is 10 and the remaining digits are same. Okay, so let's try to understand with the help of some examples. Okay, so consider we have to multiply 42 and 48. So see here, 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. And remaining digits are same here, so we can use this concept here. So what is this concept? What we have to do here? So we have to multiply the digits at one's place. So we have to multiply 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is how much? 16. So we'll write 16 here. Now whatever number it is coming here, we will increase it by 1 and we will multiply with this number. So 4 is there, so 4 will become 5 and 5 into 4 is how much? 20. So answer will be 2016. Okay, so let's take another example. Consider we have to multiply 54 and 56. So sum of these two digits are 10 and these two digits are same, so we can apply this concept. So 6 into 4 is how much? 24 and 5 will become 6 and 6 into 5 is how much? 30. Okay, so take another example. Let's we have to multiply 72 and 78. So 2 into 8 is how much? 16 and 7 will become 8. 8 7 is how much? 56. So answer will be 5616. Okay. Okay, let's take some little different example. So consider we have to multiply 81 into 89. Now see here, 9 plus 1 is 10 and these two digits are same. So what we will do? We will multiply 1 and 9. So 1 into 9 is how much? 1 into 9 is 9. But we will not be writing 9 here. We will be writing 9 in the form of 2 digit. So how will you write in the form of 2 digit? 09. So whenever after multiplication, if the multiplied value is coming in 1 digit, then we have to write always in the form of 2 digit. Okay. Now next digit is here 8. So 8 will become 9 and 9 into 8 is 72. Okay. Take another example like 91 and 99. So 9 into 1 is how much? 9. So we'll write here 09 and 9 will become 10. 10 into 9 is how much? 90. So this is your answer. So like this we can do few more examples and then we will go to the next trick. Okay. So consider we have to multiply 37 into 33. So 7 3 is 21 and 3 will become 4. So 4 into 3 is how much? 12. Okay, now multiply 96 and 94. So 6 4 is 24 and 9 will become 10. 10 into 9 is how much? 90. Okay, take another example, that is, okay, let's take some examples which are greater than 100 like 104 and 106. So 4 into 6, here sum of these two is 10 and this here also 10, here also 10, so remaining digits are same, so we can apply this concept. So 4 into 6 is how much? 24. So right here 24 and 10, here what is the remaining digits? 10. So 10 will become 11. 11 into 10 is 110. Okay, so let's take an example like 112 into 113. Sorry, not 113. Let's take 112 into 118. So 8 2 is 16 and 11 will become 12. So 12 into 11 is how much? 132. So 112 into 118 is 132. Now see guys, this is 3 digit multiplication and just within 2 to 3 seconds we got the answer. Okay. So one more thing is this trick is helpful in finding the square of those numbers which ends with 5. Like for example, finding the square of 15. So 15 square, 15 into 15. So see here, 5 plus 5 is 10 and these two digits are same. So we can apply this trick here. So 5 into 5 is how much? 25. So write 25. 1 will become 2 and 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So answer will be 225. Okay, let's take another example. Consider you have to find the square of 115. 115. So 5 into 5 is how much? 25. 11, remaining digits are 11. 11 will become 12. 12 into 11 is how much? 132. So 115 square is how much? 13225. Okay, so take another example. Consider we have to find the square of 145. So 5 into 5 is how much? 25 and 14 will become 15 and 15 into 14 is how much? 210. So answer will be 21025. Okay, so now we'll go to the next trick. Okay, so let's go to the second trick. So second trick is regarding how to multiply two numbers which are near to 100. Means consider if you are taking any two numbers like 95 and 96. So how will you multiply 95 and 96? Or you are taking, consider two numbers like 105 and 106. So how will you multiply 105 into 106 within 2 to 3 seconds? Or consider if you are taking one number lesser than 100, one number greater than 100 like 93 and 105. So how will you multiply 93 and 105? So we will see all these cases. So basically there are three cases here. So first case is numbers which are less than, means both the numbers are less than 100, then how to multiply. If second case is if both the numbers are greater than 100, then how to multiply. And third case is if one number is greater than 100 and another number is less than 100, then how to multiply. So we will see all the three cases here. Okay, so let's start with the first case. So first case is both the numbers are lesser than 100. So let's take one example like 92 and 94. Okay, so how to multiply 92 and 94? So see here, how we will try to find how much it is lesser than 100. So how much 92 is lesser than 100? 8. So we will write it as minus 8. How much 94 is lesser than 100? 6. So we will write it as minus 6. Okay, now after writing this we will multiply these two numbers. So minus 8 into minus 6 is how much? 48. Okay, now we have to add them diagonally, and whatever the result is coming we have to write it here. So either you add these two or you add these two. So what you will get? 92 minus 6, 92 minus 6 is 86, or 94 minus 8, that is also 86. Okay, so your answer is 8648. Okay, 92 into 94 is how much? 8648. Okay, let's take some other example. So consider we have to multiply 89 and 97. So how much 89 is lesser than 100? 11. So we will write it as minus 11. How much 97 is lesser than 100? 3. So we will write it as minus 3. Okay, now minus 11 into minus 3 will multiply and we will write it here. So minus 11 into minus 3 is how much? 33. So we will write it here. Now either you add this 2 or you add this 2. Okay, so 89 minus 3 is how much? 86. So 89 into 97 is how much? 8633. Okay, let's take one more example on this. So consider we have to multiply 91 and 99. Okay, so how much it is lesser than 100? Minus 9. How much this is lesser than 100? Minus 1. So minus 9 into minus 1 is how much? 9. So we will write it as 09. Always we have to write in the form of 2 digit. Okay, then either you add this 2 or you add this 2. So 91 minus 1 is how much? 90. So 91 into 99 is how much? 9009. Okay, let's take some different example like 88 and 94. So how much it is lesser than 100? 12. So write it as minus 12. How much this is lesser than 100? 6. So write it as minus 6. Now minus 12 into minus 6 is how much? 12 6 is 72. So you will get 72. Now subtract either this or this. So 88 minus 6 is how much? You will get 82. So answer is 8272. Okay, okay, let's take another example of little different type. So consider we have to multiply 86 into 92. 86 into 92. So how much it is lesser than 100? Minus 14 lesser, so we will write minus 14. How much this is lesser than 100? 8. So we will write it as minus 8. Okay, now 14 into minus 14 into minus 8. So minus 14 into minus 8 is how much? 112. Now see what I told, that always you have to write here in the form of 2 digit, but here 3 digits are there. So what we will do, we will take only starting 2 digit from the right hand side, and this one will become carry. Okay, so next step is we have to either add them or either add them. Okay, so 86 minus 8. 86 minus 8 is how much? 78. And 78 plus 1 this carry, so it will become 79. So answer will be 7912. Okay, okay, we'll take one more example on this. So So let's multiply 88 into 91. So how much this is lesser? 12, so we'll write minus 12. How much this is lesser? 9, so we'll write minus 9. So 12 9 is how much? 108. So we'll write only 08 and 1 will become carry. Okay, now either you subtract this or you can tell okay now either you add this or you add this. So 88 minus 9, 88 minus 9 is how much? 79. 79 plus 1 this carry, so it will become 80. So answer will be 8008. Okay, so let's come to the second case. So in second case, if both the numbers are greater than 100, then how we will multiply. Okay, so let's take an example of two numbers which are greater than 100. So consider we have to multiply 104 and 106. So here we will be seeing how much it is greater than 100. Okay, so how much it is greater than 100? 4, so we will write here plus 4. How much this is greater than 100? 6, so we will write here plus 6. Now plus 4 into plus 6 is how much? 24, so we will write here 24. Now either you here add this or add this. So 104 plus 6 is how much? 110. 106 plus 4 is how much? 110. So you are adding this one or this one, you will always get the same answer. So 110. So 104 into 106 is how much? 11024. Okay, let's take another example. Consider you have to multiply 109 and 113. So how much it is greater than 100? 9, so we'll write plus 9. How much this is greater than 100? 13, so we'll write it as plus 13. Okay, now 39 is how much? 39 is 117. So we will be writing only 17 and we will be taking 1 as carry. Okay, now add them. So 109 plus 13 is how much? 112 and 112 plus 1 carry, so it will become 113. Sorry, 109 plus 13 is how much? 122 and 122 plus 1 carry, so it will become 123. So 109 into 113 is how much? 12317. Okay, take one more example. Consider we have to multiply. Okay, consider we have to multiply 112 into 130. So how much it is greater than 100? Plus 12. How much this is greater than 100? Plus 13. 13, so write it as plus 13. Okay, now 12 into 13 is how much? 156. So we'll write just 56 and 1 will be carry, which will be added to the next number. Okay, so we will add this or this. So 112 plus 13 is how much? 125 plus 1 carry, so it will become 126. So 112 into 113 is how much? 12656. Okay, so okay, take one more example. Consider we have to multiply 103 into 102. So how much it is greater than 100? Plus 3. How much it is greater than 102? So we'll write it as plus 2. Now 3 into 2 is how much? 6. So we'll write it as 06. Now add this or add this. So 103 plus 2 is how much? 105. So answer is 103 into 102 is how much? 10506. Okay, so let's come to the third condition. So third condition is one number is greater than 100 and another number is lesser than 100. Okay, so let's take one example. Let's take one number greater than 100 is, consider 109, and one number lesser than 100 is considered 97. So how much it is greater than 100? 9. So we'll write plus 9. How much it is lesser than 100? 3. So we'll write here minus 3. Okay, now multiply these two. So after multiplying, what we are getting? 9 into minus 3, minus 27. We are getting minus 27. Okay, now either you add these two or you add these two, you will get the same answer. So 109 minus 3 is how much? 106, or 97 plus 9 is how much? 106. So we will write 106. Okay, here concept is little different. So after adding these two or these two, whatever number is coming here, we will put 20. We will put 20 after that, and then whatever number we are getting here, we will add it. So we will add minus 27 so we will add minus 27. So on adding minus 27, how much we will get? 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, this will become 501. So your answer is 10573. Okay, so let's take another example. Consider we have to multiply 104 into 96. So how much it is greater than 100? 4, so we will write plus 4. How much it is lesser than 100? 4, so we will write here minus 4. Now 4 into minus 4 is how much? Minus 16, so we will write minus 16. Now either you add this or add this. So 104 minus 4 is how much? 100. Now what I told, after adding this to whatever number is coming here, we will put 20, and then whatever number is coming here, that number we will be adding here. So minus 16, so we will add minus 16. So how much we will get? 9984. Okay. So guys, third trick is multiplication of two numbers based on formula a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so we will be using this formula to do the multiplication. Okay, so what kind of numbers are there which can be multiplied with the help of this formula? Okay, so let's take some examples. Like consider we have to multiply 53 and 47. 53 and 47. Okay, now see here, 53 can be written as 50 plus 3 and 47 can be written as 50 minus 3. So what is this? A plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That is 2500 minus 9. 2500 minus 9 is 2491. So 53 into 47 is 2491. Okay, so we don't have to write so much. We can do this step in mind. Okay, and directly we can write this. Well, let's take some other example. Like consider we have to multiply 82 and 98. So you know that 82 is 90 minus 8 and 98 is 90 plus 8. So this is 90 minus 8, 90 plus 8, a plus b into a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square, that is 90 square minus 8 square. So 90 square is 9 square is 81. So 8100 minus 8 square is 64. So you will get 8036 as answer. So 82 into 98 is how much? 8036. Okay, so let's take some other examples. Consider you have to multiply 103 and 97. So 103 is 100 plus 3 and 97 is 100 minus 3. So a plus b and this is a minus b. So you'll get 100 square minus 3 square. So 100 square is 10,000 minus 3 square is 9. So you'll get 9991 as the answer. Okay, let's take another example. Like consider you have to multiply 92 and 88. So 92 is 90 plus 2 and 88 is 90 minus 2. So it will become 90 square minus 2 square. 90 square is 8100 minus 2 square is 4. So 8100 minus 4 is how much? 8096. Okay, so let's take the last example and after that we will finish the video. So consider we have to multiply 108 into 112. 108 into 112. So you know that 108 is 110 minus 2 and 112 is 110 plus 2. So a plus b into a minus b. So you'll get 110 square minus 2 square. 110 square is 11 square is 121 and put 00 minus 2 square is 4. So after subtracting how much you will get? 12096. So 108 into 112 is how much? 12096. Okay guys, so I hope you must have got benefited from this video. Okay, so if you find this video useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe.